Hello everyone, this is me, Avasin Masan. Today we discuss about the most famous topic, how to earn money online, how to earn money offline. There is a lot of opportunity available in this task. Today we will discuss the about great platform is the Taskrabbit. The Taskrabbit is the construction. Over 6,000 independent workers use the Taskrabbit platform. The educational level of the contractor varies out of the country 70% hold bachelor's degree, 20% hold master degrees, and the 5% hold PhD. Some people turn their task rabbit into the full job. In the popular culture, the task rabbit was the best of the episode of season 3. Netflix Unbreakable Academy, second in the service was also parodied the simple the opposite dad behavior as the floor money as well as in the I created 2020 episode I got your back as the post rabbit. The reference is also included. The most reference also available. The transportation is Acope, Black Car, Beat, Bolt, Baya, Cabby, Hospitality for profit, Airbnb, coach farming, non profitability, B, Felcup, and the project funding co-founder Indigo, Christian, Patron, the retail, Cargistics, Metrostri, Vented, Kiji, Sofer Sound, Todo, Picato, TaskRabbit, Thumber, Rento, the Swap Tourism. The concepts barter. Further, we discuss about the type of the subsidiary. Foundation was the 2018-14 ago as the Remedy Fraud founder the Lee Bosky headquartered available in the San Francisco, California, US area covered is 47 US cities, 4 UK cities, 1 Canadian city, October 2018. Services online marketplace, parent IKEA, website is the taskrabbit.com. Very excellent provide the services and the today we discuss the acquisition by the IKEA in December 2007. The IKEA group announced it would be acquired the TaskRabbit, which would collaborate and operationally independent. The final summary: the TaskRabbit in 2018. In 2018, the company was affected by the data breach, and September 2018, IKEA announced to launch the TaskRabbit in Toronto vaccine Monarel in the late 2018. TaskRabbit is now available already 50 countries like USA, Britain, UK, Canada, and more than 150 countries in the available. In 2012, Bosque resumed the role CEO, the crossing staying with the company board of directors, advising on the strategy and operations. In January 2030, the company held Static Brown Phillip from the Google Ventures entrepreneur in the resident and the veteran ledger of the global operations as the company first CEO. In March 2013, a new tool for the TaskRabbit business was introduced, which allow business to temporarily work from the TaskRabbit, uh, which was the 10% commission. Uh, uh, Guys, this video is very effective for you, and this is the great task platform marketplace. You can easily earn maximum money from there. It's my request for you, kindly join this platform to earn the maximum profit. Thank you very much.